Gentlemen, what to get calendar ready for inspection?
Happy? Yes. Proud of being part of this school? Yes. Very nice. Very nice, all of you. The posters are very good. I won't come inside, but excellent. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
All of us trained you and you yourself. You're going to be very good. So, all the best to you.
Thank you, sir. Gentlemen, I want the officer to break the line.
Yes.
Break line third. Gentlemen.
Well done.
Good morning, one and all present here. Freedom in the mind, faith in the Lord, pride in our heart, memories in our home. On this occasion of great pride and honor, I take immense pleasure to wish Happy Independence Day to one and all who have joined us for this celebration. Teachers and students, I request you to kindly stand up for welcoming our chief guest, Major General J.N. Nair, sir. Please welcome him.
आइए अब हम सब मिलकर अमर जवान ज्योति को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करें। हमारे वीर शहीदों को याद करते हुए मैं आपके सामने कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। मैं जला हुआ राख नहीं, मैं जला हुआ राख नहीं, अमर दीप हूँ। जो मिट गया वतन पर, जो मिट गया वतन पर, मैं वो शहीद हूँ। जब आंख खुले तो धरती, जब आंख खुले तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आंख बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की हो। हम मर भी जाएं तो, हम मर भी जाएं तो कोई गम नहीं, लेकिन लेकिन
I request our Chief Guest, Major General J.N. Nair Sir, to garland the photograph of Bharat Mata. I request our Chief Guest and dignitaries to come forward to hoist the national flag.
परेड राष्ट्रध्वज का सलामी देगा, सलामी दे।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
Jai.
Salute down.
Now I invite students of class 8, 9 and 10 for March Past. Get ready to experience the grit and determination of our young soldiers through their spirited March Past.
इमरान, सामने देख। जय श्रीमान, our permission to start the parade.
Akashu Irdande from class 9. School flag holder Snehal Kokne from class 10 is holding the school flag. Pilots are Ishwari Gode and Parashvi Gode from class 10. Followed by group members Ajay Dumar and Saish Jagtap from class 8. Prutha Irdande, Praket Gawade, Parth Patil, Parab Patil and Yashodeep Gaikwad from class 9. Riya Tiwari and Sakshi Jadhav from class 10. That was really a well-disciplined and spectacular march past by the students. Now I request the pilots Ishwari Gode and Parashvi Gode to escort the chief guest and dignitaries to the dais.
To soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the nation, to the mother who led them, a big salute to them this Independence Day. Now I would like to introduce our chief guest, Major General J.N. Nair sir. He was born, brought up and educated in Pune, Rosary High School, St. Vincent's and Wadia College. Before joining the prestigious National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, he received his President's Commission into the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers of Indian Army in June 1981 and served the Army for 36 years. He commanded his battalion of approximately 1,000 personnel in the deserts of Rajasthan for a year during Operation Parakram, following an attack on our parliament. He retired as a Major General on 31st August 2017 from Army's Central Command and is now an enthusiastic member of Bharat Mata Yog Sanstha, Chinchwad.
Now, let us begin with the felicitation ceremony. I would request our chairman, Dilip Tilwani sir, to felicitate our chief guest, Major General J.N. Nair sir, with a memento. I would request the director, Mukesh Tilwani sir, to present token of love to our chief guest. I request the principal, Jyotika Malkani ma'am, to honor Mrs. Nair with a bouquet. Now I request our chief guest, Major General J.N. Nair sir, to felicitate Mr. Ramesh Warade and team with memento.
संदीप शिंदे. सत्यम सिंह, स्नैपर शूटिंग कोच, नेशनल प्लेयर. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we begin with our cultural program. Music is an Vaishali Zadav ma'am and team who will express love for the nation through the medium of music.
कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी. हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी. छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी.
today are the visionaries and torch bearers of tomorrow. When we develop personality, skill, and mind, we develop responsible human beings with leadership qualities. I request our principal ma'am to share message on this auspicious day.
A very happy morning to all of you. Warm greetings to our Honorable Chief Guest, Major Nair, Mrs. Nair, management, staff, teaching and non-teaching, dear parents and my dear students. Hope this day finds you in the best of spirits. A very happy Independence Day to you all. I hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic time. The COVID pandemic has halted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe and the virtual world has come to a standstill. But still, we have to move on. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here in front of you and address the Independence Day speech. This year's 15th August marks the 75th Independence Day and it shows we have come a long way then. After all these years, we will cherish that momentous day when the great freedom fighters of our country won independence after years of struggle. August 15 fills us with excitement of unfurling the tricolor, taking part in celebrations, listening to patriotic songs and cultural activities of our students. On this day, the children of India should feel the special pride of being the citizens of this country, of a free nation. We gratefully remember our martyrs who sacrificed their lives for us, who enabled us to live in an independent nation. They helped define who we are, guide what we do, remind us of what we work that history has given us in our own time. India is on the road to progress. The whole world is watching us with expectations. It is possible for us, yes, it is possible for you children to eradicate poverty, ignorance and disease within our lifetime. This has been made possible by the advances in our education system. Education forms the foundation of any society. It is responsible for the economic, social and political growth and development of society in general. The thread of the growth of society depends upon the quality of education that is being imparted. So, schools, yes, at AHPS also, we strive to give the best education as far as possible and develop the children into global citizens. It is education which plays an important role in molding a nation's future by facilitating all-round development of its future citizens. As you all know, that today we are going through difficult times. I can't see the students in the classes today, and no teachers across the globe would have even dreamt of such a situation which students do not come to school for learning and teachers are sitting at home in front of their cameras, in front of their mobiles, in front of their computers to teach. The situation has turned us to remote teaching, which is rapidly becoming the new normal, and we have accepted it wholeheartedly. So, this has to be done in the era of social distancing and community quarantine. But this sudden shift from traditional classrooms to virtual learning has plunged many of us into uncharted waters. However, happy that teachers and students have successfully mastered all these challenges and have done well with keeping the class engaged and interested despite not being in the same room. The concept of traditional teaching has changed radically and it has entered the new era of revolution of online education. The pandemic situation has given a fillip to accelerate with online learning. Education is going to be digital in the foreseeable future and we can't help it. You know, parents and children, There was a time in history of the nation when it was said the time has come to make history. And yes, now again the time has come to make history. We are today at the threshold of such era. The world wants us to do well and take our rightful place in the world stage. We must seize this opportunity, children. We must seize it and grab it. We need to resolve to make our country prosperous, and this will only take place when, dear students, you come forward. We must have self-confidence to realize that we are second to none, that Indians are as good as the best. So let us come together as one nation, strengthened by our plurality, to work shoulder to shoulder and build a new India. An India where each and every Indian can stand proudly and proclaim that yes, I am an Indian. Let us work together to build such a nation. As you all know, the celebrations of Independence Year this year will be rather restrained due to pandemic. School children have traditionally been a part of Independence Day celebrations. Thousands of them show up to hear the Prime Minister's speech at the Red Fort. But this time, they'll be missing this event because of COVID-19. As a true citizen of this country, we shall all abide to take care and use COVID protocol by wearing masks, maintaining social distance, sanitize hands, and those who are eligible for vaccination should go ahead and get vaccinated. I am sure the dark days of pandemic will come to an end and things will be back to normal soon. So let us all feel that let us be what the government wants us to do. Let us do what they want. Now, let me take this opportunity to thank thousands of nameless frontline warriors who have worked to fight against the coronavirus pandemic in these months. The nation is indebted to doctors, nurses, and other health workers who have continuously been on the forefront to fight against this virus. They are our national heroes. All corona warriors deserve high praise, and they go much beyond their call of duty to save lives and to ensure essential services. Unfortunately, many of them have lost their lives battling the pandemic. I express my condolences to them and the families that have suffered tremendous losses in the pandemic. So now, dear children, I think you all know what independence means. So you have to take care of this because you are the warriors now for us. Once again, happy Independence Day to one and all. Stay safe, stay happy. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful speech. Now I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest, Major General J.N. Nair sir, to share a message on this auspicious day.
Well, I was following COVID protocol. I was wearing the mask and speaking, but it's going a bit too far. But is it okay? You can hear me? Is it clear? Only podium. Okay. Push. Hello? So as I was saying, this speech by the principal ma'am was fiery and inspiring, and I am sure a lot of the students here will carry it in their hearts for times to come. I am not an orator. I cannot speak as well as principal ma'am has done, otherwise I would have been a principal somewhere. But let me tell you that principals everywhere and persons involved in the field of education Well, we do not really give them a second look, but they are the most important people in our lives. Even at this age, I can say that with surety that the most important people in my life were the ones in Rosary High School, were the ones in St. Vincent's, Vadia, India. They were the people who taught me and brought me up to this particular state. And this I request the children to remember always. Chairman sir, director, principal ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff of this school, my good friends from the services, namaskar and very good morning and a happy Independence Day. Let us wish each other a happy Independence Day. But my special namaskar and salam to the lovely children who did such fantastic things, and I am told in a very short time they have actually got themselves to do this. The ones in drill, the ones who sang, the music teacher, my compliments, very nice, it was beautiful. Since rains do not want me to speak too much, and yesterday, of course, my son was reading, he's done his engineering, he's now working somewhere, but he was sitting there and reading a book. And I was thoughtful, I told him that I have been called to a prestigious school. What do I tell the students about independence and what do I generally talk about? Put yourself back in school shoes, and if you were in 5th or 7th, what would you like the chief guest to talk? He says nothing. ठीक है? उनको बोर मत करो. So मैं आप लोगों को बोर नहीं करूँगा, सिर्फ आधा घंटा लूँगा. Okay? Okay. It is like this. I won't take much time. What the principal ma'am said, that this independence that has been earned, that has been fought for and snatched. It is not that it was given to us on a silver salver. It was snatched, and it involved a lot of sweat and toil and blood of our ancestors. We all remember Mahatma Gandhi, we all remember Lokmanya Balganga Tilak, we all remember Satyendra Savarkar, Safekar Bandhu of Chinchwad. Okay, we remember this independence. You are mistaken, because every day of the year we are paying a heavy toll for this independence, to maintain this independence. You and I won't know. The people who are paying a toll are there up in Siachen at minus 55 degrees. The soldiers standing there guard for our nation. A place where if you by mistake, without gloves, if you pick up your weapon, you will scream and put down the weapon, and that weapon will come off peeling the skin from your hand. That is minus 55 degrees. For us sitting in Pune, we do not know what is minus 55 degrees. It is for that soldier who is in Rajasthan at plus 50 degrees. Again, he catches a weapon with his bare hands, he will be burnt. Northeast, where he is beset by a lot of diseases. So these are the people who are paying the tax for us. Let us be grateful for them. And not only them, let me remind you that to keep your city safe, to keep your city independent, there are a whole lot of police personnel here on the streets. They have a very tough job. Respect them. Okay. So, what I'd like to tell the children is that let us be worthy, not only children, everybody, in fact, even me, let us be worthy of that sacrifice of those soldiers. Let them not turn around and feel that what am I fighting for? Let them take pride in fighting for a nation which is behind them. Soldiers don't fight because they hate the enemy in front. They look behind and see a nation and they say they love this nation and that's why they fight. So let us be grateful to them and let us rise up to their expectations. And for children, rising up to their expectations is not very difficult. They just expect you to do your bit, whatever you do, whether you're playing, whether you're studying, whether you're in music, whenever you are in these fields, just do your 100%. And from Independence Day to Independence Day, try and up your skills by 10%. That is all they ask for. Okay? Keep yourselves mentally and physically fit. Your human body is the best mechanism. There has been no mechanism devised by man which is as good as your human body. I have seen it in the National Defense Academy. What a body can go through. Maintain that body. Because only then, later on, you will become a good citizen of this country and contribute to that instead of being in a hospital and absorbing all the resources of this country. So keep yourself physically fit. The last thing I'd like to tell you is, once a day, do something good for others. Put a smile on somebody else's lips. If you had heard the Prime Minister today, he had spoken so eloquently about a lot of our friends, the small friends, who have nobody now to look after them because of this pandemic. Put a smile on their face. When you go to sleep at night, look back on the day and you should be happy that you have done a good job. If you start doing this, I can tell you with guarantee that 20 years later, you will all be children, you will be better than all of us sitting here. Can that be done, children? I'm asking the children of this school, can that be done?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Yes, sir.
Where's the Josh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it and do it well. I wish you all the best. I wish this school all the best. I believe your first 10th batch has just passed out from this school with flying colors. Congratulations to you. You have done well. Keep doing well. This in front of me, you are the people who have made it possible. Please do that. Continue with that. All the best to the school for its future. And drill and singing party, my special thanks to you. You've done an excellent job. On behalf of my wife, I thank all of you for having invited me here. Thank you. And let's all rise if you permit me, sir. Let us all rise and 3 बार भारत माता की जय मेरे साथ बोलेंगे. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful speech. Dance is something that is expressed through hearty feelings, eye expression, body movement. Music and dance are not just for entertainment. They are designed to elevate your consciousness. So here we have our students to present their enthusiasm through dance performance.
रिकॉर्डिंग के एंगल्स लो ना. अच्छा एक ही जगह से रुक के ले ले. अब ये इधर नहीं आके रुक जाना बीच में.
Ready, boys? Yes, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका मौका मिले तो कर मैं ये दोबारा जुनू की आंख में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका मौका मिले तो कर मैं ये दोबारा जुनू की आंख में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा
चक्का जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां चक्का जिते चक्का जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां चक्का जिते ते मिलन बधाइयां क्या है फतेह करके सूरमा सूरमा माने है जन्मया एक सूरमा 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 सूरमा
That was a wonderful performance. Keep up your spirit and zeal. Give a big round of applause to the students.
To say thank you, respected Chief Guest, Chairman Sir, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, students and parents for gracing this occasion. A huge thank you to teachers, staff members, technical team for organizing such a wonderful program. In the end, I would like to say, let not pass this Independence Day as any other holiday, and instead look within and think whether we are fulfilling our fundamental duties. Now I request everyone to stand up for Vande Mataram.
वन्दे मातरं सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्। भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की।
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So here I say that the program is ended. Thank you.
I take this opportunity to thank General Nair, Mrs. Nair, Chairman Sir, Director Sir, their families, all the parents and dear students, Gaurav Sir, and all the teachers over here, the music teacher, and everyone present over here, and those who are listening, my dear students, for such a wonderful day. Thank you so much for making it possible for us to show you what our children can do. Thank you. God bless you all.
वो 8 आएगा पीछे रुकेंगे